Alright, good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. Today I am updating my Pixel 4 XL. We are going to be updating it to the Android 11 beta. So it's just finishing up some stuff right there, and then we should be ready to go. So we're just waiting on it to optimize the apps, and then we should just have a quick reboot. And after that reboot, it should be all ready to roll. We'll see what's new between Android 11 and the developer build I was on before. I hope they added some new stuff between the developer previews and this. Update wasn't too big, but like I said, I was coming from the latest developer preview. Waiting on it to start back up here. Alright. I don't know what happened, but I seem to have lost my background in the update. Don't know where that went. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it real quick because we have enough battery for a little bit. So I'm just waiting on it to finish. Actually, it looks like it finished. So really the only thing off the bat that I see is new is the power menu up top here. That's new. I just swipe to go back. That's the same. Give me one second. Let me adjust the camera a little bit so you guys can see. Yes, I'm not seeing too much different. New app suggestions and media controls. I saw something where there were media controls like on the quick toggles. I'm not seeing that right here. How do you know how to get to that? Let me check. I'm just gonna do Play Store updates real quick too, and see if we have any. Got 15 updates. I'm just gonna update all those real quick, just so everything is nice and up to date. So how do you get to the new media controls? Okay, so I have to let me see. I have to like enable it or something. What's it under in the dev options? Oh wait, I think I found it. Alright, let's see. Oh, that didn't do anything. Yeah, I just turned that on, but it didn't, yeah, just, okay, I gotta reboot it, it says. Okay, give me 1 second, let me do a restart. Oh, the Google Pay thing just came up. Alright, let's see. I don't know what happened to my wallpaper. Alright, you said play music. I'm just gonna, can I play like a video from like YouTube? I don't have any music on here. See if I just play. I'm trying to find something I can play for the media player. I don't have any music like stored on here. Alright, well anyway, I'll figure that out later. Is there anything else other than like this screen right here? Anything changed really from the developer previews? You know, I'm using a, let me go back to the Pixel launcher. Alright, let's try that. Looks to be the same. Did we get any? Nope, no new clocks yet. That's the same. Let me put my wallpaper back. There we go. Play a video in the background. Let's see. Alright, so I've got that one right there playing. And then you should close that. I played a video in the background and then closed picture in picture. I'm not getting anything on here. Let me make sure it's still turned on. So video is playing in picture, but I'm not getting anything in quick toggles for the audio. I can close it, nothing. So yeah, I'm not getting anything in the quick toggles for the audio. So am I doing that right? I mean, I opened YouTube, played a video, closed picture, I did all that, and I'm still not getting anything. Okay, let me try that. Here, I'll let it play for a second and see if I get anything to pop up. Let me put it to sleep and see. Nothing. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off and back on. I'm gonna turn it off, restart it, turn it on, and restart it again, and see if that does anything for us. Now I really don't have any music or anything on this phone. I don't use any kind of streaming. Let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna go back and turn it back on. Maybe it's because I exited the menu or something before I restarted it. So I'm just gonna do it, turn it on, and restart it right from here. Okay, so it's on. So now I'm gonna restart it right from there. Alright, let's see if that did anything. Alright, so we're just going to go back, play that video again. Alright, so we've got picture-in-picture. Yeah, I see the thing about the app suggestions, but I'm not, the other thing is just not working for me. Most used apps right on the home screen. I'm gonna leave that off for now. You said there's new icons. Where do you go to change the icons? I really don't like this, how it's all, like, I think you can get, yeah, you can get rid of some of that, but actually, okay, no, you can get rid of all of it, that's fine. I didn't like how it was all jumbled up on the top. See, we've got the new power menu. That works. The only thing I'm trying to find are the new icons. Okay, so there's new settings under system gestures. Let's see, so we'll go to system gestures and then power menu. Okay, so cards and passes, device controls. I'm guessing that's if you have like the home stuff set up. Connected devices, okay, yeah, so that doesn't, I don't have anything, I don't think, set up for that, so it doesn't do that right now. But I guess you'll get like home controls and stuff like that down there as well. Let me see. Let me go into, do I have home on here? I'm guessing this comes through Google Home, so let me install that real quick while I'm waiting on that to download. Let's see, so styles and wallpapers, style, custom. Okay, these right here, yeah, I saw those on the demo, so they just added more of the shapes. I kind of want to try that, actually. Let's see. That's kind of cool. Alright, so I've got Google Home here. Let me just log into that and see if we get anything. Okay, so I do have some devices on here, so we'll see. Okay, yep, there they are, right there. So you just need to have the Home app installed. Let me see, I don't think any of these lights are in here. We'll click on the upstairs thermostat. Yep, so that works. That's actually kind of nice that it's all right there. The only thing I don't like is it looks like that if I am in like an app, and I do that, so if I want to use this right here, when I swipe up to get that to go away, it also closes the app I'm in. Okay, but you can hold the power button again to go back, so that's fine. Just a little bit annoying that you have to, if you swipe up, it closes everything you're in instead of just that one window. Yeah, so let me see, that camera is dead. Let me see what this does. Edit controls. We'll get rid of that. Okay, let's go to the front porch camera and see if it actually comes up. These are the Arlo cameras, so they take a second to connect because it's not always connected, but it does come up. So you got all lights, downstairs lights, my kitchen lights. Let me see if there's anything else I can add. My office plug. Let me see if that one's in here. Yep, so that turns the light on and off. I don't know if you guys can kind of see the reflection right here on my hand, but the light is turning on and off. So that's nice. You can do your Google Pay up here. I've never used Google Pay though before. I have most of my stuff set up on Apple Pay or like Samsung Pay if I have a Samsung phone at the time. Just gonna move that over here. Yeah, but that's all there, so that's cool. Yeah, you can't use that one if you don't have any smart home bulbs. You can use it with a bunch of different stuff. Like I have some thermostats and stuff like that. All that connected to the Google Home stuff. But all you have to do is have this app set up, and that works pretty much right away. I didn't have to do anything to set it up. Let's see if there's anything else under the power menu. Show cards and controls while locked. So I guess if you turn that off. Okay. Oh wait, it unlocked. Hold on. Let me not look at it. Okay, so if you don't have your phone unlocked, you don't get all that stuff. Let's see. Let's unlock it. Turn that back on. Let's see. Now we should. Yep. Now we get all that with it locked. So that's nice. Yeah. Your Ring stuff. Yeah, Ring doesn't work with Google. I do have a Ring doorbell, but that only works with like the Amazon, the Alexa stuff. Let me see if I wonder if I can add that though. Is that a thing? I think it's just Nest stuff because, of course, Google is Nest. So let's see. Yeah, Ring is not one. Yep, that's not going to happen. So the Arlo, that all works. I can't get my Philips Hue bulbs to add to this for some reason. Like if I add it in here, it will take me to log in. And I can log in, trust the application, and then it just goes back, and it just goes back to the setup screen. It doesn't actually add it for some reason. So I don't get why that happens. If anybody knows, it's always been like that. It's been like that for like 2 years that I've been trying, and it does not work. So that's kind of annoying that I can't add my Hue bulbs on there. So if anybody knows what's up with that, it's been like that on Samsung devices, Pixels, anything with the Google Home app. It just won't save the account, and I don't know why. Oh, that's kind of cool. I just noticed that it did these icons over here too. Let me go back and play with some other ones. Let's see. So I just have a custom one right now. Edit. Keep all that the same. Try that one. Yep, that's pretty cool. Hopefully we'll get some more of those. It would be kind of cool to see Google do some themes and stuff like that you can, download, kind of like Samsung does with their theme store. But yeah, other than them adding this, I mean, going from the developer preview to, developer preview to that, there hasn't been much change. They did add some stuff, but it's not like we went from developer preview to the beta and had a huge rebuild or redesign or anything like that. So there's not a ton of new features added that we didn't already have in the developer beta. So that kind of sucks that we didn't see too much new, but hopefully before it comes out we'll get a couple new features and stuff like that. But if you were on the developer builds, there's nothing too much to talk about other than like I said, the icons and the power menu and that kind of stuff is really all that's changed. But other than that, that is Android 11 Beta 1. I will be doing a video on it later on. This was just a live stream that I'm playing around with it, just installed it, stuff like that. So I figured I would stream it live. But other than that, I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as